I'll show you using an actual video of mine which took off like a rocket and why. Now have a look at this. It got 695 views since it was published. 665 more than usual. I have a very small channel, only a few months old, and it's barely starting to gather steam. Now look at this, how it takes off right here. Just unbelievable. All in a couple of days, it just took off. Look at the average percentage viewed. 61.2%. That matters a lot. 99.1% were not subscribed. So that thing about having subscribers and everything, it means nothing. Most people aren't subscribers. Now look at the reach. .6 from YouTube recommending your content. That's the ticket right there. 91.6. Wow. There you go. There are the stats right there. Now, I made this video at a time when something was happening. And look at the traffic source on search. Empire State Building, Biden, new president, etc., etc. And this is the video traffic from suggestions on these videos here. And the traffic source types. And the click-through rates per impression shown. 2.4% in this case. There you go.